Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Chris, the owner and from Christopher's in Manitowoc, a wonderful restaurant, beautiful setting right on the golf course, perfect for fall to take a drive. And
it is, and when the foliage kicks in, the leaves, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Real excited about our next big night out, which is coming up in just a couple of weeks. We actually were at Christopher's Valentine's Day last year.
Correct.
And did a big night out there, and it was amazing. Everyone raved about the food and the atmosphere, so we're headed there again September 23rd. This one's filling up very, very quickly.
It is filling up very quickly. The one in Valentine's Day filled up in 3 weeks and it was sold out. This one, we're more than halfway there now. So if you're interested in doing it, you might want to give us a call, 920-684-3319. My wife is there now answering phones, hoping to pick things up a little bit, but we'll see how it goes.
You know, Monday, too, it's on a Monday night, which is Monday, September 23rd, which, you know, nothing's going on a Monday night, so perfect time of year, and the menu is outstanding. 5 courses, 5 different courses paired with wines for $60 a piece, including
taxes and gratuities for the staff, the whole 9 yards.
Killer deal.
One-shot deal.
Yeah, really, really
Plus,
good.
Amy will be there. It's
I will.
Amy.
It's going to be tons of fun. All right, so we're making a wonderful salad. I know you do some different salads on the menu, and people are, you know, they want salads to be fun, you know.
Correct. And salads being fun, especially, you know, I have kids at home, you have kids at home. My kids love to cook with us. So I come up with different recipes so that the kids can make it. This is a strawberry puree that is actually designed for making strawberry margaritas or daiquiris or anything like that. You can pick them up in every grocery store in the non-alcoholic section.
So that's going to be the base of our strawberry vinaigrette.
Correct.
Okay.
That's the base.
That's easy.
You can use raspberry, you can use a peach puree, you can use anything. Or you can buy the frozen fruit, puree it in a food processor and use that as the base.
Okay.
I use a little bit of apple cider vinegar.
To add that acid there.
Correct, and a little bit of balsamic, because the apple cider is going to give it some sweetness. The balsamic is going to give it a little bit of darkness.
Nice color, yeah.
Correct. And this is a mixture of tarragon and Italian seasoning.
I love tarragon. You know, we were talking about, you know, getting the kids to eat salad. Those bottle dressings, a lot of them are a turnoff. They're such a strong flavor that if you, I found if, you know, you start making your own with, you know, different fruits, all of a sudden the kids like salad because they like dressing.
Correct. And another trick for salad dressings is that if you can't get your kids to eat vegetables, a salad dressing that's quick and easy becomes the flavoring for your veggies. So you cook up your veggies and you pour a little ranch dressing over the top of them. What kid doesn't like ranch dressing?
I agree. I agree. Ooh, and so we add some oil just to emulsify and thicken that up. You can see how gorgeous that is. What a great color.
And your kids can actually make this. My daughter will actually stand here and make one of her salad dressings in 5 minutes while we're prepping everything else.
Which is so cool, yeah.
And you can buy the lettuce mixes already done. You know, we use about an 8 different blend of lettuces. We use a spring mix, which has 7 in it, plus iceberg and romaine for some extra crunch and texture. Because the spring mix is usually pretty soft.
Right.
So I recommend you do that at home as well. Use a blend of lettuces. You know, if you want to buy the pre-made bags to keep it quick at home, buy a bag of the iceberg romaine mix and a bag of the spring mix, mix it together, and then add everything else to go with it. To finish the salad, besides the strawberry vinaigrette, is some just crumbled blue cheese.
Yum.
Dried cranberries.
Let's look at the color on those.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
And this is on our menu in the restaurant. And candied walnuts, which we make ourselves in-house. We cook the walnuts down and candy them with sugar and a little cayenne pepper so they have just a hint of heat. And then just a little drizzle.
Gorgeous dressing. The color of that is wow.
Of strawberry vinaigrette.
Oh.
And you're good to go.
That looks absolutely fantastic. If you don't feel like making those walnuts, they actually sell a lot of different flavored nuts now in the grocery store, which is really makes it you know, nice and easy. But the crunch, adding some fruit to your salads, a little bit of cheese, making the lettuces, like you say, you know, bringing those different lettuces.
Correct.
Yeah.
The different textures together actually make a huge difference. So when you bite into something like your sandwich today, that has the textures of the lettuce and the crispiness of the bread, you know, everything has to play on what it's going to, you know, the explosion in your mouth.
Yeah, I agree. Gone are the days of my mom used to do an iceberg lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and maybe if it was an exciting night, a little bit of cheese.
Or a black olive.
Yeah, exactly. And you know what? That just, bless her heart, but things have changed and people want a little bit more these days.
Sure.
So this is great, easy, quick stuff. And again, for people who want to get a hold of you, the restaurant, how can they find you?
Okay, phone number 920-684-3319. Our website is www.golfbranchriver.com. We are on a golf course in the woods, right off of Highway 310 and 43.
But you don't have to golf to eat there. You can go
No,
and have lunch or
correct.
dinner anytime. No, not a problem.
Correct. You don't have to golf to eat there, but if you do want to partake in the golf course, it's one of the most premier golf courses in Northeast Wisconsin. So I recommend you do check out our course as well. It's gorgeous.
All right, we'll see you in a couple weeks at the next Big Night Out. I can hardly wait, Chris.
Me either.
Thanks so much, and you can go to
Thanks,
our
Amy.
website to find out more about the Big Night Out. And we'll be right back to wrap things up, so stay with us.